Carpinteria, located 10 miles south of Santa Barbara, has all the elements that make a town great. The main street is full of places to eat and drink. There is a beach, bike paths, reasonably priced accommodations, and super approachable locals. Carpinteria is a peaceful beach community with many nearby natural attractions. A seal and sea lion rookery are located along the bluffs area. There are tide pools full of starfish, anemones, and urchins. The tar pits are still visible today in one of the city's parks. Carpinteria is a small seaside city in southeastern Santa Barbara County, California. Carpinteria is a popular surf destination. The city embraced the slogan, "World's Safest Beach" in 1912, which it still uses today. The city is located almost entirely on a coastal plain in between the Santa Ynez Mountains and the Pacific Ocean. Between the foothills and the populated area of the city is an agricultural zone. The mountains provide a scenic backdrop to town, covered in chaparral, and displaying prominent sandstone outcrops. Because of the well-ventilated nature of the air basin, ozone concentrations are low, while air quality is high. Seals and sea lions can be seen in the area December through May at the rookery, in the nearby Carpinteria Bluffs, as well as an occasional gray whale. There is bird watching at Carpinteria Salt Marsh Reserve, established in 1977. The Wardholm Torrey Pine, the largest known Torrey pine tree on Earth, is located in downtown Carpinteria. The Torrey pine is the rarest pine species, and can only be seen on a natural reserve, located between the cities of Del Mar and San Diego. This region experiences warm, but not hot, and dry summers, with no average monthly temperatures above 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Lynda.com, an online software training company, ranked as one of the fastest-growing private companies in the U.S., had its headquarters in Carpinteria. The company was purchased by LinkedIn in 2015, for $1.5 billion. Procore Technologies, a construction management software company, also has its headquarters in Carpinteria. The Santa Barbara Polo Club, one of the main equestrian polo fields in the country, is located just west of Carpinteria. The city is also home to Pete's Living, an organic produce company that was previously known as Hollandia Produce. Carpinteria hosts an annual California Avocado Festival, with a history extending back to 1986. Over 80,000 people attend the three-day festival, which takes place during the first weekend of October. The festival offers avocado products and locally made goods. It also hosts the Carpinteria Arts Center.